Former Stanford student Brock Turner is set to be released from jail after only serving half his sentence for raping an intoxicated woman. Now, because of apparent good behavior at Santa Clara County Jail, the former swimmer is scheduled to be released this Friday. The case led to the creation of a new bill set to close a legal loophole in California that allows lenient sentences to be given to convicted sex offenders. One America's Vania Beltran has this report.
Legislators in California pass a bill tightening sentences for convicted sex offenders in the state. In a unanimous vote Monday, the California State Assembly decided to amend a legal loophole that allowed those who sexually assaulted an intoxicated or unconscious person to be sentenced to probation. Previously, the state of California required sex offenders who used force to assault victims receive a mandatory prison sentence, while those who assaulted a person who, for some reason, were unable to resist the attack were not required to serve time in prison. The bill was introduced by 3 state legislators who said they felt the need to take action following the shockingly lenient sentence given to former Stanford swimmer Brock Turner, who was convicted in June of sexually assaulting an intoxicated woman behind a dumpster during a fraternity party last year, and received a sentence of 6 months in jail and 3 years of probation. In a statement, Assemblyman Evan Lowe said, rapists like Brock Turner shouldn't be let off with a slap on the wrist, stating that current law actually incentivizes rapists to get their victims intoxicated before assaulting them. And while we can't go back and change what happened, we can make sure that it never happens again. The bill now heads to California Governor Jerry Brown's desk to be signed into law. Vania Beltran, One American News.